It's Rose. After hours. I have had, listen, every day I have is wonderful. I'm just going to say it. I refuse, and I make every day a happy day. I'll find one way to make that day a good day. And today's all been a good day. When I tell you, time has just slid right through my hands all day long. I would turn around. It was 6 o'clock. I turned around. It's almost 9 o'clock. We've been busy today. And then tomorrow, we're going to go visit one of my dearest friends. She lives near the coast, and I haven't seen her in a while. And so we're going to be, after hours. Ben's out and about like a spider. So yeah, we're going to go see her tomorrow. We're going to leave at 10. I haven't seen her in so long. I'm very excited. So if I probably won't be able to do my story tutorials because it has been a very long time, and I would love to catch up with her. But that being said, I didn't want to miss tonight, so I'm here. Let's see, what else do I have to tell y'all? I already know the comments are going wild over this sparkling blue situation. I'll tell you what it is. So I used this as a base. This is from Merit. These are their new shadows. I haven't tried them enough to recommend them yet. But, I mean, what I have tried, I've enjoyed. This is so easy. I literally just smeared this in a soft shadow wing. Okay, that's the base. See it there? And then, so I did actually film this eye look. It's so simple. And then this is what I did. I topped it with this, and I'll post it on TikTok, and I'll put the link here. And then I'll probably post it here on IG too. But it's from Carla Cosmetics. The shade is Ribbon. Oof. And I've had it on forever now. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'll put what it is right there. Something that I have been reaching for endlessly, okay? I knew I was gonna like it, but I didn't even think I was gonna reach for it as much as I'm reaching for it. And it's this Stage White powder from One Size. I have everything packed, so hang on, let me see if I can find a brush. There's my ear. I'm just gonna grab this. If you want it really intense, we would just use it with a puff, but if you just wanna do some light brightening, we would put this on top of our set concealer. And when I say set, if I were to go in with just this alone, that might leave a cast on top of my concealer. So we need that little bit of balance. So say we do our concealer, then we would set with a powder closer to our skin tone, and then we would go back in with this. I'm going to do a video on it, but I have been having so much fun with this, and I love it. Look at this difference. It's really fun, and it actually looks really good in person as long as it has that base color underneath. I'm doing a tutorial. I know that right now you might be thinking this is making no sense, but I'm a visual person too, so I'll do that video for y'all, but we'll get there. What else? What else? What else? I'm excited to try. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't recommend it. But I'm gonna take it. It actually reminds me, maybe I'll do a little wear test at the beach. I'm excited. You know, before we go, let me make sure. I'm just gonna spray it on really quick. I don't care about fixing this. I'm literally gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna drink coconut water. I'm gonna watch a little Shozy show with my mama. So let me make sure this one, it doesn't do. No, we're good. No, we're perfect. Ooh. It has a smell. It smells like all setting sprays. I wonder if it has alcohol in it. Let me check my ingredients. Let me go screenshot it. We'll read it together on the Sephora website. Okay, let me make myself small. Okay, so it does have the alcohol. So this is pretty much just a classic setting spray. I'm reading it. I like the smell. Yeah, okay, so basically what I'm reading there, now I'm not a chemist, I'm a painter, but I do understand some of this and what it does. It's basically, it's think of it as a sealant, and but it has a lot of ingredients that help with it not drying out the skin. I still probably might not, I mean, I don't know. I'm probably not gonna wear this every day. I don't really care if my makeup's waterproof, and my makeup already wears nicely without it. But this is definitely one that when you need your makeup to stay, these ingredients are going to do that. So we'll do a little beach test, a little riding the golf cart on the beach, splashing on the beach. I'm excited. Guess who's going to the beach? The most handsome, snoring, orange, extra large man is going to the beach. Okay, of course he has his leash. He's leash trained. He is so chill in these situations, and he rides on my golf cart right now, so I know he'll be fine on that golf cart. And he's an action boy, and he's ready for the beach. Okay, are y'all ready? I will share a picture. I will share one. It will brighten your day. Doug already loves the beach. Doug's been to the beach a bunch. He loves water, Dougie. When I say water, I don't let him get in more than that. Like, we're not, but no. Me and him both, we're too small. And, but we're going to the beach. We're ready. One thing I will say is this is not sticky. This feels like I don't even have anything on. I'm really excited for this. I don't feel like I'm sealed in here. So that feels really good. I'm excited. This is going over here so I don't forget it. What now? You know what else I'm definitely taking with me is this lip stain. These are still my jam. I love them all, but I feel like I reach for this one the most. It's the shade Michelle. I'm gonna swatch it for you right here. I was trying to figure out which one it was, and it's definitely this one. I just feel like it's so pretty. The applicator. The applicator is so good, and it lasts so long. And it's so pretty. Say you want to wear a lip oil and that fades away, this is still there. I've tried a few. I've tried a few lip stains. This one's my favorite. So I filmed a video earlier and I found my new favorite nude lip. Okay, remember, nude is something different to everyone, but for my skin tone and my undertone, I did not want to take it off. That's not what I have on right now. I like this, but this doesn't come off. This is one of the Maybelline ones. I'm definitely posting that here. Y'all asked for it. But this, I love it. I'm going to tell you what it is in the next slide. So it's this gloss from Patrick Ta. This is the Silky Lip Cream. It's more of a creamy, glossy lipstick. It's very pigmented. I just loved it. It wore beautifully. I just felt so pretty in it. I thought it was so flattering on my skin tone. So if you're similar to me, please add this to your cart immediately. It's a 10 out of a 10. Would recommend. Of course, the packaging is beautiful, but to me, it's more about the formula and more about the color. I loved it. And then I'll tell you the lip liner in the next slide. This is my favorite lip liner. I can't stop reaching for it. I love this entire line, but this one particular shade in Dress to the 90s is perfection on my skin tone. It's not too cool, it's not too warm, it's so easy to apply, it wears beautifully, it has a little bit of a sheen to it. I bought another one. I bought this one and I bought another one. It is just so good with all of my nude lips. It's perfection. I hope it's not sold out. I should have checked that. Probably not. It's not sold out. Do yourself a favor, grab a couple of them. They're very affordable. Hot Sauce is another one that I really like. I really think that y'all are gonna enjoy that formula. It's just really flattering, and since it has a little bit of a sheen to it, it's very plumping. It makes the lip line look really nice, really juicy, but then it doesn't move around, and it even creates a barrier for glosses. It's so good. Let's go. Y'all knew I was gonna talk about it. Y'all know my about face. I cannot exist. This is in my travel bag, ready to go. I'm gonna use it as bronzer. I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow. I'm gonna use it. I love it. They're $8 right now, 21 days of beauty. I mean, honestly, finish this story later and go buy them. Go get them for $8. That's incredible. I'm so excited for y'all. Go experience them. My favorite is Capulets. But if this one isn't for your skin tone, there are other nudes, and there's also a white one and there's a black one. So if you wanted to darken, maybe the darkest brown, lighten, do whichever you needed to do, get the white one and the black one too. You'd be surprised how much you use that. I'm so glad I'm sitting here. I just remembered I need to pack my Elemis. Gotta get my eye cream. Ooh, I love this eye cream. I need more of it. It's so good for fine lines. And I have fine lines. So when I pack my moisturizer, which is my Pro Collagen Morning Matrix, I actually pack it with my makeup like I would my primer, because I don't take primer. My moisturizer is my primer. So that goes in my makeup bag, and then my nighttime and all my nighty-night stuff goes in like my actual toiletry bag. So I always treat this as makeup. Ooh, something I mean, y'all know I love the ABH one. Ooh. I love it so much. I don't know what they're doing with this new formula, but it's doing it for me. Okay, this new formula, in these last, I guess the last 4 or 5 palettes, but I think in the last 2, that's when they've done these really intense, extreme shimmers, and they are magical to me. Oh, they're just so pretty. I feel like that one even has a light enough base I could use it as highlighter. I really think that y'all are, yeah, you can. Absolutely. For me. Yeah, because it'll disappear when the light isn't hitting it. There, you get a purple highlight. If you're wanting something spicy, you're going to love this palette. These last 2 palettes have me 2016 excited. They make my makeup heart sing. And again, I know that these colors are not for everyone, and the other one wasn't for everyone. But for me, they're everything that I ever wanted. The formulas do exactly what I want them to do, and they just excite me, and they make me feel the way I did about makeup many years ago. And it's really cool to find products like that. I'm sure some of y'all already have products like that. They make you feel a certain way, the way you did when you first got into makeup, and that's what these palettes do. This one and the Cosmos. I always get the name wrong. The one with that pretty blue sparkle. Now, I am here to report I love this palette. Maybe it seems advanced. It's really not. Just think of that as a base, or so multi-purpose. The putty part, or the pomade part. And they also said that the putty is designed to where it will not dry out. So that's incredible. That's why it's not covered. And this definitely does seal. So as long as it's shut, I mean, we're not just gonna leave it out like that, obviously. So I am able to update you on that, but I love this palette. I think it's fantastic. I think it's something that you will use, and you will find many uses for it. I think that that's everything. I could make this a lot longer, but I just feel when they get too long, they get very overwhelming. Sheila's actually getting a bath, and I need her. When I need her the most, she's not here. Oh, really quickly, something that definitely didn't work out for me. It didn't do it for me. The REM Beauty foundation. There's a lot of things I do enjoy from REM Beauty, but this just wasn't one of them. It still runs a little too warm, even though I have a shade Light 7C, which is light cool, and that should be pretty good for me. But this was just, it was just a little. You know, one day I really want brands to sit down and really think about everybody's undertone. I love that we are expanding these shade ranges to where they need to be, but I just feel like they leave out about 5 shades, 5 in each category, in each skin tone.
Are we live?
You again.
It's me.
What do you want, Spider?
Hey, I need some. Not everything's on the desktop. I need some footage.
It's all on the desktop. I filmed for days. It's all there. You just have to look harder. And if I didn't film it, I'm not filming it. He found his footage. It has been found. I'm so excited for what's coming. That's why I've been missing a couple days, is because we're getting so much ready. So it's only temporary. It's just temporary. It'll all go back. But it's fun, and I'm still here. I'm always here. But it's incredible to see where we are now, and that we're all doing this together. And when I say we, I mean y'all too. We're just in this, and it's incredible. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited for next year. Oh my God. Whew. But I never want y'all to think that I won't do this, because this is almost my release. This is how I relax, is to do these tutorials with y'all and even talk. These are important too, because this kind of rounds up everything. But to do my stories, my tutorials, my talk throughs, they complete me in a sense. And that means y'all complete me, because we're such a family here and we talk about things and we help each other. So don't think that this will ever go anywhere for good. But it's just in current seasons. I don't even want to say that it's going to get busier, because not every season is going to be this busy. It's normally, if you see me like not doing, why did I say like? Don't you judge me. But if you see me disappearing for one extra day during the week, that means something is coming. So still be excited, because that's a big deal. If I'm missing a day, something is coming. Okay, before I hop off, because it's time, it's nighty-night time. A lot of y'all want to know what colors to get in the About face. Get all of the nudes, get the black and white, and then get this color. Because when I wore this color on my lid, I don't think I've ever had so many questions about what I had on and what was going on. Now, when I did it with smokier colors, so it turns into the most beautiful smoky purple. So even if you just pair it with brown, it is good. It is good. I want to do another look with it. I kind of just want to do that look over and over and over again. So that color, I'm too excited, is called Morning Glory. That is going to be it, but I'm going to leave you with, I'm still going to be here. I'll post stuff of Jean. I don't post a lot about my life, but I can definitely post animals. I will love to post animals. I will become a critter page. But next week, I'm going to show you how to use Duraline and Creed eyeshadows, because this is actually a waterproofing situation. And you can mix it. It's interesting because even the directions, I'm going to read you the directions verbatim. Duraline mixed with a makeup product of your choice creates a liquid waterproof formulation. They summed it up. But I'm a visual person, so I'm going to have to teach you the way that I would need to learn how to use it. So get ready for next week. Still not disappearing off here. I'm gonna leave y'all little notes like I always do. I love y'all so much. And again, I don't post my life because it's not even because I want to be private. It's just because I wouldn't want you to look at my life and then look at yours and go, but why don't I? So it's the but why don't I effect that social media gives us. So I mean, y'all might look at Jean and think, but why don't I have a big orange cat? No, but animals are very heartwarming, they're uplifting, and they're even calming. So that's why I never mind showing them. But everything else, I just don't want you to ever come to my page and go, but why don't I? And I feel like makeup just doesn't do that. It's fun, it's sparkly, it's shiny, and we can all participate because drugstore has gotten so good. So that's why I don't show it. In case you've ever wondered, that's why. Because I love y'all so much, and it would make me very sad for y'all to look at something that I do, somewhere I go, something I have, and you say, but why don't I? Break my heart. Okay, I love y'all so much, and I'm so excited to document the big orange man at the beach. I'm so excited. In case nobody has told you today, I love you. And I will see y'all here in the DMs. I'm not sure I'm going to post tomorrow because I really am looking forward to spending time with Dana. And, but I'm here. Don't think that I'm not here. Y'all can check on me. Y'all can DM me. I'm always here. I love y'all with all of my heart. And I'll see you in the DMs. Love you.